Today we are going to discuss chapter Gravitation of Physics from class 9th. First of all, we have gravitation, the fundamental force of attraction between objects having masses. वस्तुओं के पुंज या मास के कारण उत्पन्न हो रही फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन को हम बोलते हैं ग्रेविटेशन, गुरुत्वाकर्षण. For example, it exists between sun and earth and all the planets, between earth and moon. All the terrestrial objects, for example fruits and any other thing thrown upward in the sky, they always fall towards earth because of gravitation. Next topic we have Newton's law of gravitation. क्योंकि ग्रेविटेशन की खोज न्यूटन द्वारा की गई थी. बिफोर दैट कंसीडर द डायग्राम. वी आर हैविंग टू ऑब्जेक्ट्स नेम्ड एज ए ऑब्जेक्ट एंड बी ऑब्जेक्ट हैविंग मास m1 एंड मास m2. लेट द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देयर सेंटर्स इज d. नाउ a is trying to attract b towards itself with a force of gravitation. Similarly b ए को अपनी तरफ आकर्षित करने की कोशिश कर रहा है विद ए फोर्स एफ. नाउ कम टू द लॉ. एवरी ऑब्जेक्ट इन द यूनिवर्स अट्रैक्ट्स एवरी अदर ऑब्जेक्ट विद ए फोर्स. नंबर 1, दैट फोर्स इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ देयर मासेस. दैट मीन्स एफ फोर्स डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू प्रोडक्ट मल्टीप्लाई the masses m1 and m2 of both the objects. Let it be number 1. Number 2, the same force F is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between their centers. That is, F force is inversely proportional to square of the distance between both the objects. Let it be number 2. Combining 1 and 2 equations, we get F same force, proportionality sign same, m1 into m2, this is the first part, upon d square, this is the second part. Now this proportionality sign is changed or converted into equality sign. For that we multiply the right hand side with a constant capital G. Capital G is called universal gravitational constant. Hence Newton's law of gravitation having mathematical formula F, that is the force which is equal to G into mass of first object into m2 mass of second object divided by square of the distance between both of the objects. Next topic is units and value of capital G, that is universal gravitation constant. According to Newton's law of gravitation, F force is equal to capital G m1 m2 upon d square. Rearrange. F into d square is equal to G m1 m2. Again rearranging, we get F d square upon m1 m2 equal to capital G. Now capital G. Now force is measured in Newton, distance in meter, so it is square, upon m1 mass in kilogram, m2 mass again in kilogram, so it becomes kilogram square. So the units of capital G, that is universal gravitational constant, becomes Newton meter square per kg square. And its value, remember its value, it will be used for numerical purpose. Capital G having value equal to 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Next topic we have importance of a universal law of gravitation. Number 1, motion of all the planets around sun. Number 2, motion of satellites around earth. Number 3, presence of atmosphere on earth. Number 4, flow of water in the rivers. Number 5, tides occurring in the oceans. Number 6, falling of raindrops and snow towards earth. All these natural phenomena occur due to the concept of gravitation or gravitational force present in the nature.